Hello guys, welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery. On a Friday afternoon, we have something to fix, okay? Let's fix some things, guys, on a Friday. Trust me, I don't know exactly where to start because we have too many jobs here. Too many jobs. But let's start with something. Yeah, by the TV. We do have a TV here. That's a Samsung TV. How can I do it? We do have a 44-inch Samsung TV. The problem with this TV, I will show you. I'll show you the problem. Let me do it this way. Okay. You see, we do have a standby light here. You can see the standby light. Yeah, it's a very big TV. We have the red light here. Our TV is on standby. And let's power on the TV. On. Let's wait. Pay attention on the screen. I didn't see anything. Off. On again. Just a flashing Samsung logo, and the backlights went off. Okay, that's what this TV is doing. You can see here we now have a green light here. We have a green light, but there's nothing on the screen. But this TV is still on, so that's what we have to fix. That's what we have to fix. So what do we know by now? When you press the power on button, the 3.3 or 5 volts, any voltage on the plus of the switch is going to 0, and the logic board start working, and because something is not right, the processor is cutting down the power, and our TV will remain on, but there is nothing on the screen. Okay, so we can conclude either we do have some backlights problem here, or something is wrong on the backlight circuit, mostly capacitors. This kind of behavior, I've seen it on capacitors on the output of the backlight circuit. Okay, so let's bet. I think it's a capacitor. What do you think? So I'll take out the motherboard, and we'll come back and analyze what's going on here. Okay, it took me 10 minutes to take out the board, and that's the board. Let me adjust my webcam and check together. Good, that's the board. And look what they did. Since someone once fixed this TV, check these capacitors. Maybe you can see. You see what they did? The capacitor just fall down. Look, that's what happened if you take your device to Bush Mechanica Obviously they do it their way. How can you put a capacitor in such a way? Look, that's the capacitor. You see, all these two capacitors, they just fall. That's crazy. And this one has got a bump on top. So I always tell people, yes, you can send your device to those street guys who are trying to get quick money because you want to pay less, but after all, look what they did. That sounds unprofessional. Okay, so let's do the proper job here. Let's replace all those two capacitors plus this one, and you see, I'm sure that the problem, because the fact that we do have a flashing light, it means my backlights, they are okay. But because someone tried to do the job the wrong way, the TV is behaving like that. How can you do such kind of things? You can't do such kind of things. Everyone in the street is trying to take money. No one is denying that I can't fix this one. They try by all means and they mess up things. After they failed, they send things here. Let's look for proper capacitors. And replace. I don't understand why people they start to do jobs which they don't have knowledge about. You have to know your limitation. But I don't blame these guys. I blame the owner of gadgets, the people who are actually giving them the jobs. Those are the people whom I blame most, because you really know that this person, I just meet the person in the street, the next thing, you give that person the job simply because he explained that he can do the job. It doesn't go that way. It doesn't go that way. It doesn't go that way. Let's see how we can replace that capacitor, those capacitors quickly. Everyone is trying to take money in a wrong way. That's what is happening these days in my country. Which I don't really understand why. Let me look for a good capacitor here. Try this TVS to work again. One second, I need to look for the third capacitor. These ones were 35 volts, 470 micro, and the one which is bulged, it's 16 volts, 470. Okay, let me look for that one. I found something. So we still need one more 35 470 here. Let's do the proper thing here. We need to put one more here. That's the capacitor. Okay. The last one, this one, (16 volts, 470). Okay, 1 second. So let's look for another here. 16 470. I found something. I don't see anything hard replacing capacitors. Nothing hard here. Nothing hard here. Soldering wire. Basically, that's all what we have to do here. We just finish replacing all the capacitors. So we replace like where's the fourth one? I can't see the fourth capacitor, but we replace like 4 capacitors. So I'll put all together and we'll come back for testing. Okay, let's see now. I think I just finished putting back all together, and all what is left is to test to see if this TV is working or not. Okay, that's all what we need to do here. Yeah, it's a big TV. Let's plug the AC cable. Plugged. You can see here. Here we do have the red light. And how can I do it? Should I lift it? Let me try to lift it up. Yeah, it's a very big thing. Something like this. I think we now have a better view now. Something like this. You can see here we have the red light here, you see, and the power on the TV. Which one is the on button? On. Let's wait. Samsung. You can see the no signal sign here. So everything is working fine here. We don't have issues here. So basically, this TV was sent to these street guys who are trying to fix things, and they don't even know how to put capacitors, just to replace capacitors. And I was touching capacitors and they were falling down. That's always I emphasize people, wherever you are, if you have a fault device, try to send it to a reputable repair shop, not those guys who are trying to to do jobs by chance. Our TV is working fine. That wasn't a backlight issue. You can turn it off, and on again. On Samsung, you see. So this job is done. This job is done. So like, subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell for future updates. Also remember, know where to send your device. You know those bush mechanics, bush technicians who are trying to get money by chance. It doesn't work that way. The job is to be done the right way. Okay, see you on the next job. Bye.